Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus. Choose the profile you want to edit. You do this now because removing apps from Focus changes what can notify you. Once the profile is open, scroll to Allowed Notifications or Apps. This is where app entries live. Make sure you can see the current app list. If you don't, toggle Editing Mode or tap Edit. This first step establishes control over which apps are allowed to interrupt. Now remove apps. Tap the Apps section under Allowed Notifications, then locate an app you want to exclude. You can swipe left on the app name or tap the minus icon, then confirm removal. This immediately prevents that app from breaking your focus. If you have many apps, you search inside this list to speed things up. Once done with one, move to the next. Make sure to leave critical apps if you still need urgent alerts. Finish by saving changes or simply exiting. Most systems apply edits instantly. You should test by enabling the focus and having a colleague or secondary device send a test notification from a removed app. If the app still notifies, make sure the app isn't whitelisted elsewhere. Check notification settings and any automation rules. If problems persist, restart the device, toggle the focus off and on, and recheck the allowed list.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.